It is here for you. Solve the simultaneous equations x plus 2y equals 2, 1 over x plus 2 over y equals 5. Okay, there are so many ways of solving simultaneous equations, but for this particular case here, the easiest one is substitution. The easiest one is substitution method. So how do we start? How do we start? Okay, we have no problem with the first equation. The first equation is x plus 2y. This one is equal to 2. Since I mentioned that the method we're going to use is substitution method, then it's advisable that you make one variable from these two the subject of the formula. The easiest to do that is x. So shall say x will be equal to 2. This one is positive. When it goes there, it becomes negative. So our x now is equal to 2 minus 2y. Let's call this one, label it equation number 1. Then from equation number 2, we have 1 over x is a fraction. 2 over y is equal to 5. Okay, the easiest way to do this one is multiply each term by xy. Multiply each term by xy. How will it be? So let me show you. Xy times 1 over x, then 2 over y times xy is equal 5 xy. So this x here, we cancel that x. So here we shall remain with the y, then plus. Here this y, we cancel this y. So we shall have 2x. Then this side we have 5xy. We have 5xy. Do we need to simplify this equation any further? Okay, we can choose to make y the subject. Maybe. If we do that, then okay, we shall have y to be equal to 5xy. When this one goes the other side, it becomes minus 2x. Like that. Okay, do we need to go any further? Okay, the simplest thing we can do here maybe is to take out the x. Yes, to take out the x. So if we take out x here, we shall have 5y minus 2. This is our y is equal to 5y minus 2. Okay, let's not go any further. Let's call this equation number 2. Then bring our x here. That we said x is equal to bracket 2 minus 2y. This is as per equation number 1. So therefore our y will be equal to, we shall have 2 here minus 2y into bracket. Then we have another bracket where there is 5y minus 2. Okay. From this one, you can make it easier by taking out 2. Yes, or we can simply multiply each term as it stands. And then we get our y to be equal to, this times this one, we get as 10y. Then 2 times negative 2 minus 4. Then 2y times 5, this is minus 10y squared. 2y times negative 2, this will be plus 4y. Okay, let's arrange this equation. Remember, here there is y. Let's arrange this equation such that it becomes the simplest we can write. So this one comes that side, and it will be 10y squared. Okay, 10y plus 4y, this is 14y. But when it comes that side, it becomes negative 14y. Then there is y on the left hand side. We add y to it. What else have we left on the right hand side? Negative 4y. No, negative 4. When it goes that side, what will become is positive 4. Okay, this side will be equal to what? 0. So here we get 10y squared minus here getting 13y, then plus 4. This one equals 0. Okay, we have got our quadratic equation that. Okay, we can solve this quadratic equation either by factorization or by general formula, or you can use a graphical method or whatever method you can use. But here, I'm going to use the factorization method or splitting the middle term. How does it work? We have to look for two numbers, which will give us the sum of negative 13 and the product of 10 times 4, that is 40. So the product should be 40, then the sum should be negative 13. Since the middle term is negative, then we expect the number we're going to use for the products both to be the same sign, that is the negative sign. So 40 factors of 40, 10 times 4, that's one of them. Okay, then you can have also 5 times 8. Okay, 5 times 8, yes, 40, then 13. Okay, so let's take this one. So we shall have 10y, then minus 5y minus 8y, then plus 4. This equals 0. Equals 0. Taking the common factor here is 5y. Then we have 2y minus 1. Okay, here common factor is 4. Then we shall have 2y. Since there is negative outside, then this one will become negative 1 equals 0. So we have the product of two brackets. The first one is this, and the second one is 2y minus 1 to be equal to 0. So if you have the products of if you have two products, the product of two brackets equals 0, then there are two possibilities. The first one, either the first bracket equals 0, or the second equals 0, or both are 0. So here we shall get, by dividing through by that, we shall have 5y equals 4, or 2y equals 1. By 5, we get y to be equal to 4 over 5, or by 2, we get 1 equals a half. Okay, these are the respective values of y. Now from x equals 2 minus 2y, when we use the first value for y, that is y equals a half, we shall have x to be equal to 2 minus 2 times a half, which is equal to 2 minus 1, which gives us 1. And when we take y to be equal to 4 over 5, we shall have our x to be equal to 2 minus 2, then 4 over 5, which gives us 2 minus 8 over 5. Okay, adding these two, 2 minus 8 over 5, we can take 2 times 5, this is 10. Then we subtract 8, we use the single denominator as 5. This gives us 2 over 5. So the given pair of simultaneous equation has got two solutions. So the solution sets for the pair of simultaneous equations are the first one, when x equals 1, then what will be the value of y? Y is a half. Or the second one, we can take x to be equal to 2 over 5, and the y will be equal to 4 over 5. So both solutions will give you the respective values of x and y if you have to substitute in those equations. So this is our final solution. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channels. Thank you for watching.